So Brian's checkup went very well. He only bit me 8 times while I tried to brush his teeth.
Wonderful. And does he have the red, hairless undercarriage of an older dog?
He sure does. He's the Jason Alexander of hairless scroti. And you know, if you're interested, we're doing a 50% off promotion on our new state-of-the-art tracking chip. It connects to an app that will monitor Brian's vitals and even has a Bluetooth speaker so you can play songs through him.
Awesome. I'm going to blast Ed Sheeran right through his stomach. That'll really showcase my milquetoast personality and lack of masculine vigor.
Great. I'll introduce you to our nurse who handles the procedure.
Hi, I'm Emma. And don't worry, I'm wearing scrubs that hide my tattoos to give you confidence.
Terrific. And now, like in every hospital situation, I'll depart and a woman will do the actual work.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!